Hey there, today I'm going to teach you about form management. The forms are the piece of the puzzle that you would create to collect all the information from your end users that is necessary to complete a document. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to create a form. So you would go to Manage Forms and launch Form Builder. And here, it'll prompt you for the number of steps that you want your intake form to have, your interview form. There is no fixed amount of steps. You can theoretically make your form have a single step or 500 steps, although I don't recommend 500 steps. The reason why the steps even exist is just depending on the complexity or the length of the form, it just might be simpler from just like a pure user experience perspective to break the information down into sections. Just make it simple for them to understand. So in this case, I'm going to just set one for 2 steps. Okay, and it's important to note that these steps, you can change the name, and you do so by double clicking it. So if I make this personal information, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for step 2. Okay, and in the summary, this is a place where you describe what the step is actually for. So this is where you okay, so in this case I'm just going to make it a simple form. So I'm going to drag the field I want up here, and it supports several types of fields. In this case I'm going to do this the same way I did the step. I'm going to double click it and change the name. Alright, cool. I'm going to make it required. I'm going to go over to step 2, drag a field up there, and I'm going to call this, what is your business? Oh. I'm going to set these both to required. Okay, great. And everything looks good. So I'm going to go down here and save the form, put in a name. Okay, it's important to note, okay, that your clients and users can see this name of this form. So I do encourage you to choose a name for the form that's professional and actually represents, the purpose of the entire process. So put the name in and press OK, and it'll bring me to a summary of all my forms. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to cover form management. All right, thanks.